Hi everyone, Dave Novak, Prevention Pest Control. Hey, we got a topic we need to cover today, and the title of this is Think Before You Sign. And we had a customer from Willoughby call us. He had a little bit of buyer's remorse. He had a national company come out to inspect his house for termites. No names, please. And it was a bunch of money, and the next morning he got to thinking about it, so he called me. And what he was telling me didn't make sense, so he forwarded me all the contracts so I could take a look at it. So we're going to give you this case scenario just so you guys have an idea of what we're talking about with this topic today. So the house itself, not a very big house, but it has a crawl space in it. So the first thing, when the salesman came out from the national company, he pitched him a, exclusionary service. Now he had a doorway to fit in the crawl space, and it was all kind of jacked up. So they basically were going to fix it, fix the handles on it, fix the hinges and all that. The price on that was going to be $400 to fix that. So then the second thing he pitched him was what they call the comfort zone. And that's a radiant heat barrier to save energy. Basically, they were going to insulate the crawl space so the floor and all that would be a little bit warmer. The price on that was $2,500. So we haven't even talked termites yet. We're talking everything but that. So the third thing he wanted to do was he pitched him the thing called a dry zone agreement. And what that is, according to what they say, it's a moisture management program that prevents high moisture levels that can lead to mold and mildew. It's basically a vapor barrier is what it is. In a crawl space, you put plastic down to help cut down on the amount of moisture that gets up into the rafters, and then obviously mold and mildew on that. That was $10,000, and then he gave him a 4-year renewal on that for another $792. So altogether, that one was $10,792. So we finally get around to the termite work. The termite work was $1,500, but then he also added 4 years of a renewal, which added another $895. So altogether, the termite work $2,568. So they had him fill out a financial form for application. Everything I just read off to you is a little over $16,000. They had him put down a small down payment and 21% interest. The finance charge is $7,500, 48 payments of $449 for a whopping total of $21,552. Now, I ran up there, measured the house, and I will tell you that the termite work was a small fraction of what all these prices were. So the other issue was this was pitched on the 23rd of the month. All the paperwork was dated the 16th of the month. You have 3 days to cancel by law. So when he called me the next day, I said, the first thing you got going on here is you got wrong dates. You're already way past the 16th. So he immediately called the branch manager, everybody, try to get them involved to say, hold on, because of course the salesman that pitched it all and sold the job wouldn't return a phone call. So we got him straightened away. He got it all canceled. We're all lined up to treat it. But the moral of the story is make sure you look over anything before you sign it. If you're going to get multiple estimates, which I strongly suggest anything over $1,000, get multiple estimates. Look at them, read them, see what's apples to apples, all that stuff. If you have any questions, call the companies and ask them, just like this gentleman did. Thank God he called me and sent me these so we could walk him through all of it. Otherwise, for the next 48 months, he's going to be paying on $21,000 worth of stuff that is going to be a fraction of that. So look before you sign, read it, get estimates, all that stuff, so you are not taken advantage of. Hope that helps. Hope it never happens to you. It better not, because you need to call me so it never happens to you. All right? Until next time, we'll see you.